Good morning. It is almost 8 o'clock. We're gonna head out to do a little hike, short hike maybe. But we're gonna head out to Militant Lake. And we're gonna try to hike on the Table Mountain Trail. See if we can find it. I've seen a few people hike and they posted on Facebook and they have the little tracking device, but I've never been on it before, so I don't know if I can find it, but stay tuned. I don't know if this is the right trail. It looks like this is the trail ahead. You got here. There's actually a little park at the end of the Sky Harbor Road. So down here is the Militant Lake, and here is the trail. So let's go. Okay, so we're gonna go up to Pincushion Mountain. 1.2 mile. Let's hope we survive. It's been a while since we've done any hiking, so we're gonna take it easy. Look at that climb. How are we gonna make it up there, huh? Like before we could do it, but now I'm sketchy about my condition. Those
Don't
young
go
guys.
there. You can not by door.
I know, so we'll take the easier route. This? Yeah, I think this is a shortcut too. This seems to be like a off-road, a trail for like cars and stuff. That's why it's so wide. That's where we came from, guys, down there. A trail all the way down there. Okay. Come up here. It goes up, up, all the way up there. Oh man, this is about 8% grade or something like that. No, more than that. It's probably like, what? Say like, I'll say 10% decline or incline? 10, 20? So we decided to return and get back to the car. It's been a good hike, but we've been out of shape for so long that, you know, our legs muscles are not there anymore. It's a good one. So eventually we're gonna come back and do this hike again. That's the parking way down there. Okay, it's a bathroom. There's a lot of people coming up hiking this trail now. Finally, back to the car. We're back to the parking lot, to the little park. Shaka, huh? It's tiring. First time hiking after a very long time. Never do this. It's not recommended, alright? Do not go on a strenuous hike from your break. 要看了，Jason。Back at where we started. Ah.